Hey guys, Al from Just Ask Al. I talk a lot about the GE UltraFresh. A lot of you complain over the years that your front loader washer dryers smell, bacteria, mold, mildew. You kind of solved that this year. They put a vent in the front door with the UltraFresh Vent button. It spins the tub with a light fan, and it's blowing the air constantly through the machine, so it helps dry it out, and it really keeps the air from getting stagnant in there. Anything you see blue on the machine, the gasket, which is always a big problem, even around the dispenser here, made of Microban material. It's going to be antimicrobial. Really high quality matching dryer, comes in gas or electric. These can be on pedestals, they can be stacked, they can be side by side. They come in various colors, and there's 3 versions depending on the feature options that you want. The 850 series shown here has one-step wash dry. It actually can dry small loads, which is interesting, so it's like a combo piece. A few garments in here, it'll go from wash to dry without ever having to put the clothes into the dryer. It's kind of a unique feature of this. But I would consider them in a front loader. I think it's really a great unit. Like the fact that they took an attempt to solve the odor issue, and they've done a great job at it. The one sold so far, that has not been a problem with these machines. No longer do you have to open the door when you go on vacation and things like that.